Everyone needs to understand something important. Speaking English like the top 1% is not about using difficult words. It is not about speaking fast, and it is not about having perfect grammar. It is about how you think, how you control your mind, and how clearly you express your ideas. Many people spend years learning English. They study grammar, memorize vocabulary, and watch videos. But when it comes to speaking, they still feel nervous, confused, and stuck. This does not happen because they do not know English. It happens because they are using the wrong approach. They try to speak fast, they try to sound perfect, and they try to impress others. Because of this, they lose clarity, confidence, and control. Top speakers do something completely different. They focus on clarity, they focus on control, they focus on communication. The best part is that these are not special talents. These are simple habits that anyone can learn and practice every day. The first habit is to think before speaking. Most learners try to answer immediately. Someone asks a question, and they start speaking without thinking. This leads to broken sentences, repetition, and hesitation. Their confidence drops quickly, but strong speakers never rush. They take a small pause, just 1 or 2 seconds. In that moment, they organize their thoughts. They decide what they want to say and choose simple words. This small habit creates a powerful change. When your thoughts are clear, your speech becomes clear. Practice this daily. Pause briefly before speaking, take a breath, and then express your ideas slowly. The second habit is using simple but powerful words. Many learners believe that good English means using complex vocabulary. This creates pressure. They forget words, get stuck, and lose confidence. Top speakers do the opposite. They use simple words, but they use them clearly and effectively. The goal is not to impress people. The goal is to communicate clearly. If people understand you easily, your English is already strong. Break long sentences into smaller ones. Use the words you already know with confidence. Over time, your vocabulary will grow naturally, but your clarity will stay strong. The third habit is staying calm under pressure. Many people can speak English when they are alone, but they struggle in front of others. Their heart beats faster, their mind becomes blank, and they start overthinking. This is not because they lack knowledge, it is because they are not calm. Strong speakers train themselves to stay calm even in pressure. Before speaking, take a small breath. Do not aim for perfection. Focus on expressing your idea. Speak in short sentences. Confidence does not come before speaking. It comes from speaking again and again. The fourth habit is avoiding filler words. Words like ah, and you know may seem small, but they weaken your speech. They show hesitation and break your flow. Most people use them because they fear silence. But strong speakers use silence as power. Instead of filling gaps, they pause. This makes them sound confident and controlled. Start by noticing your filler words. Record yourself speaking and listen carefully. Then replace those words with short pauses. Over time, your speech will become clean and powerful. The fifth habit is controlling your speed and voice. Many learners think speaking fast means fluency, but speaking fast often leads to mistakes and confusion. Strong speakers speak at a natural pace. They focus on clarity, not speed. Slow down slightly. Use pauses between sentences. Speak in a steady voice. When you slow down, your control increases, your mistakes reduce, and your confidence grows. The sixth habit is improving body language. Communication is not only about words, your posture, eye contact, and gestures play a big role. Two people can say the same sentence, but one sounds confident while the other sounds weak. The difference is body language. Stand or sit straight. Maintain eye contact. Use natural hand movements. Practice in front of a mirror. When your body looks confident, your mind also feels confident. The seventh habit is believing in yourself. Even if you know English, a lack of belief can make you sound unsure. Confidence does not come from words, it comes from belief. Replace negative thoughts with positive ones. Do not say, I cannot speak. Say, I am improving. Practice speaking daily, even if it is not perfect. Accept mistakes and keep going. Confidence grows with action. The eighth habit is using pauses smartly. Many learners fear silence, so they try to fill every gap. But silence is not weakness, it is control. Pausing gives you time to think and makes your speech more powerful. After every sentence, take a short pause. When you need to think, pause instead of using filler words. This will improve your rhythm and make you sound more confident. The ninth habit is speaking without doubt. Many learners use words like maybe or I think too often. This makes their speech sound weak. Strong speakers express ideas clearly and confidently. Speak complete sentences. Deliver your message with a steady voice. Practice expressing one idea clearly without hesitation. The 10th habit is practicing daily. You can learn rules and watch videos, but without practice, nothing changes. Speak every day, even for a few minutes. Talk about your day, your plans, or your thoughts. Use English in small situations. Consistency is the key to improvement. The 11th habit is listening more. Great speakers are also great listeners. They pay attention to how sentences are formed, how words are used, and how tone works. Practice active listening. Repeat what you hear and try to match the rhythm. This improves both understanding and speaking. The 12th habit is controlling overthinking. Many learners think too much while speaking. They worry about grammar, mistakes, and opinions. This blocks their flow. Focus on your message instead. Practice speaking continuously without stopping. Accept mistakes and keep going. Fluency comes from flow, not perfection. The 13th habit is building a strong identity. Many people see themselves as weak in English. This belief affects their speaking. Change your mindset. See yourself as someone who is improving and becoming confident. Act confidently, even if you do not feel it fully. Your actions will shape your identity over time. The 14th habit is organizing your thoughts. Clear speaking comes from clear thinking. Before speaking, structure your ideas. Start with a main point, explain it, and then conclude. Avoid jumping between topics. Practice this daily to train your mind. The 15th habit is building discipline. Most people fail not because they are incapable, but because they are inconsistent. They practice one day and stop the next. Strong speakers are consistent. They practice every day, even for a short time. Create a simple routine and follow it daily. Track your progress and stay committed. The final message is simple. Learning alone is not enough. Action is what creates change. Do not wait to feel ready or confident. Start now. Speak a little today, then more tomorrow. It will feel uncomfortable and you will make mistakes, but that is part of the process. Every time you speak, you reduce fear. Every time you practice, you build confidence. Fluency is not achieved in one day. It is built through daily effort. One day, you will notice something powerful. You are not translating. You are not overthinking. You are simply speaking. Trust the process. Stay consistent. Keep going. Your future self is being built by what you do every day.